Did you know by clicking once you could earn $60? Yep, you heard that right. Just one click, and you don't need to be a mathematician to be able to tell that that's a lot of money for just one click. It's crazy, especially because if you think about clicking 5 times, you could be making over $300 in only one day. And all you really need is your smartphone, and you're pretty much set. I know it sounds crazy, but you just have to trust me. We're showing you a brand new strategy today that not a lot of people know about yet, so you're lucky. It's great for beginners and it's an entirely free method. It's also available in all parts of the world, so you have zero problems here. As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Our website for today is called Offer Vault, and this is how their website looks like. Basically, this website offers a ton of offers with different payouts to them, and you can actually take part in all of the offers. There are no limits here. We're obviously going to show you which offers to take in order to get paid the most money, and we're also going to be teaching you how to do these offers correctly so that you can get and make the most out of it. So when you're on the website, we want you to look up gift card, and then you're obviously going to see all of the gift card offers. When you scroll down, you'll see the offer names and how much the offer is going to pay you. And as you can see, the payouts are actually really high, which is great because it means that you're going to be compensated well, and that's what we want. If you check this $500 Amazon gift card offer out, you're going to see all of the offer details. So you're going to see the offer name, the payout, which is how much is going to get paid to us per email submit, and that's $17. So per person that submits their email for a chance to win a $500 Amazon gift card, we are going to get paid $17. Can you imagine? You're also going to see the link to the preview landing page, so if people click on the link to this gift card giveaway, they're going to be taken to this page. This is where that link is going to take our customers to, and this is where they're going to submit their email so that we can start earning from it. And I personally think that this is such a great addition to the offer details because it allows us to also be able to see where it's going to take the people who click the link. We can judge if it looks a bit sketchy or not, and we can go ahead and just choose another offer if we don't like the looks of the link. Of course, if you were to run the offer, all you have to do is click on run offer right here, and that's how you're going to get your link, so you can just run the offer straight away. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. When you run the offer, you're obviously going to get your link that we just said that you're going to share with other people, so that they can click on it, submit their emails, and then you can earn your money. But the question is, once we have our links, where could we possibly share it that's gonna get the traffic that it needs? Well, we're about to find out. Now open up Pinterest.com, and if there are some people here who don't know what Pinterest is yet, Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet using images and, on a smaller scale, animated GIFs and videos in the form of pinboards. That's what Pinterest is all about. This website has millions of people on it every single day, which means that this website is the perfect place for your link because people will come on here and will want to click. people would want to go on the link and submit their email because they want a chance to win a $500 Amazon gift card. And then in that way, they're gonna earn, you're gonna earn, and they're gonna earn as well. We're gonna get into the sign up process in a bit so you guys can finally make an account and start posting. But before that, let me show you some examples of other posts of Amazon gift cards on this website. So you can see that there are actually a lot of people who go on here to post their links, which means that there are also a lot of people who look for gift card opportunities because they're great deals and they're free. So what's there to lose, right? Now, if you're on the homepage of Pinterest and you look up Amazon gift cards, you're going to see a lot of pins about Amazon gift cards of different prices, of course. But ours is $500. So imagine if these people are able to give out their $60 worth of Amazon gift card. Just imagine how many people are going to be able to reach with our $500 worth of Amazon gift card. I already know it's going to be crazy. Basically, they are going to show the photo of the gift card and how much the gift card is offering. And then if you actually click on it, there's a title and a description and everything. So it's great. And then, of course, you should have the link as there as well so people know where to go and what to click and what to do so that you can also start earning your money. They're going to click on the link and then they're going to submit their email and money, money, money for you. And if you're wondering where you're going to get the Amazon gift card image, we're also going to be showing that to you, where and how, so that you guys are able to start properly. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now it's time to sign up, and to do so, you should be on this page of Pinterest, which is basically what you're going to see if you type in Pinterest.com. And then you're going to click on sign up right here. Then you're going to see this, and you're going to provide all of the details being asked of you. So your email, a password, your age, then hit on continue. And basically after this, you're going to be asked a few more questions about yourself. But as soon as you complete all of those, you're finally gonna be inside your account. And this is how it looks like. And now it's time to finally create our post, to get our link out there, and to just click on this plus button to do so right here on the bottom part. Then select on create a post, and then you're gonna be taken to here. And as you can see, this is where you're gonna post your photo. And then you're gonna add your title and then your description. And before anything else, let's look for a photo, and all you have to do is open up Google Images, look up $500 Amazon gift cards, and then just look for something like this. Save as an image, download it, go back to Pinterest and upload the photo right here. And then you're gonna entitle your post, and you can do like a win a $500 Amazon gift card today. And that's a perfect title already. And then in the description, you could write something like, if you want a chance to win a $500 Amazon gift card, then click on this link to claim it. Then you're going to attach your affiliate link, and once that's ready, post it, and ta-da! There is your post. And just wait for the money to come in like wildfire. So make sure you try this method out, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.